Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox visual enhancements. We'll dive into the powerful tools available directly within Roblox Studio to dramatically improve the look and feel of your games. You'll learn to manipulate lighting, add atmospheric effects, and apply various post-processing filters. This approach ensures your creations remain compliant with Roblox's terms of service, providing a safe and effective way to elevate your game's appearance. We'll cover everything you need to know to make your experiences visually stunning. Let's start by mastering lighting within Roblox Studio. The technology property offers options like Future for advanced global illumination or Voxel for a classic look. Adjusting brightness and color can dramatically shift the atmosphere from a vibrant daytime to a moody night. Don't forget outdoor ambient and global shadows to add depth and realism. Experiment with exposure compensation to achieve the perfect balance, making your world truly shine. Next, we'll explore post-processing effects to add that final polish. Bloom can make bright areas glow, enhancing light sources and reflective surfaces. Color correction is your go-to for fine-tuning the overall color palette, adjusting hue, saturation, and contrast to match your vision. For a cinematic touch, depth of field introduces a beautiful blur, focusing attention where you want it. Don't overlook sun rays and fog to add incredible atmospheric depth and mood. It's crucial to remember that the safest and only officially supported way to enhance Roblox visuals is through Roblox Studio's built-in features. Using third-party shader injectors can violate Roblox's terms of service and potentially lead to account suspension. While true custom shader code isn't directly supported, the tools we've discussed offer extensive creative control. Always prioritize optimizing your game's performance, ensuring a smooth experience for all players, even with advanced visual effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.